To connect Plus500 to TradingView, start by logging in to your TradingView account at tradingview.com. Once logged in, hover over the Products tab and select Super Charts. At the bottom of the page, you will see several tabs. Click on the last one, Trading Panel, and maximize it for better visibility. Next, click on All Brokers and scroll down to find Plus500 US. Usually located at the bottom of the list, click on it. And if you want to add it to your favorites for easier access, click the star icon next to it. After selecting Plus500 US, choose whether you want to connect a live or demo account, and then click Connect. You will be redirected to a website where you will need to enter your TradingView username and password. After signing in, you will receive a few more prompts to accept, and once completed, you will be able to connect your Plus500 account to TradingView.